Hi guys, we're playing Meowdoku. This is level 56 and let's start. Alright, we need to find 11 cats. So far we have one. Let's maybe try there. No. Alright, maybe here. No. Or there. Yes. Alright. Next one should probably be there.
Nice!
Alright, let's try there. Okay, we only have one fish left, so we have to be careful.
Great!
Let's maybe try there. Alright, so far we have 5.
Perfect!
There's the yellow one.
Excellent!
Alright, let's try there.
Amazing!
The blue one should be here.
Unbelievable!
Alright, now we need 3. There's 1.
Unbelievable!
Alright.